worst thing I can do right now is try to fix this. Now, you might have heard of super students. Bet you've never heard of happy students. Our happy students can do like this on their first day. One of the first things to know about hooking in high winds, you want a big glider, at least 30 meters squared. You noticed how I'm keeping a little tension on these lines? That's what you want to do. You don't want it to lay down flat like that. If you let it lay down flat, it'll kind of get in the habit of not being ready to snap to attention and, pay attention to you. Run backwards. Do everything you can to keep from going forward. This glider will try to make a boy out of you. You got to show it you're a man. When you pull this thing up in these high winds, don't go towards it. It's going to make you do it, but you got to fight that. You want that thing to come up hard and fast. If you're not having to bury your brakes down to your hips when it gets overhead, something wrong in your technique. The best thing I could do right now is yank on these risers really, really hard and not let go of them no matter what. Top priority, you want to have your glider perfectly lined up into the wind. Second priority, you want to keep some tension in these lines. Third priority, we'll get to that in a minute. Now, once you hook in, that's when you can really, really relax. Once you get this other carabiner done, you're perfectly safe. Nothing bad can happen right now. You keep these lines tight. Don't get your hands down here in any of this. Up here is the safe zone, all right? The worst time you can pull up your glider is when the wind is on the lower side of the gust. Now, the next thing, number 3, you want to pull on these A's as hard as you can. You notice the expert paramotor pilot is very proficient, and he's also very patient in waiting for just the right. You notice the expert pilot is very good at waiting for just the right amount of wind to pull up his paramotor glider. Now, if you're not getting drag, if you're not getting drug a little bit, you're doing it wrong. Now we're talking. Now, the worst thing I can do right now is try to fix this. We can give you full training. We supply all the equipment for just $1,200.
It's already broke in.
It's already broke in. We're going to put you on nothing but total pieces of shit. So you will not have to worry about paying for equipment damages or scratching the paint or anything like that. Now, I'm making a huge mistake right here. You see how I came up onto my feet? No. If you notice, my glider is crooked. The thing I need to do right now, I need to indicate mass-induced panic by pulling on this high side brake. Allow me to demonstrate.
Do you need me to start the motor for you now?
Yeah. Now, what the best thing we can do right now is would be to start up the motor. And once the motor starts, it needs time to warm up. So once the motor gets started, I'm going to start to get into the throttle to actually help the glider drag me downwind.
That would make for a smoother takeoff, wouldn't it?
Right, yeah. Now, if you're ever kiting and it doesn't go right, just know it is never your fault. You're not going to learn unless you break at least, $2,000 worth of equipment in learning to be as proficient as I am. This is a good time to bring this up. When you come for happy training, you're going to get expert level service. We have top instructors here. They can show you how to look like this on your first day. Ironically, we're also about $800 cheaper than all the other schools. Why not? If you notice, my glider is in an inverted configuration. Best thing I can do right here is start pulling really hard brake. Well, now allow me to demonstrate. Remember, if you're not getting drug, you ain't doing it right. There we go. So, for just $19.99, you can come to Happy Thoughts Paramotor Training. With a little bit of practice here in Live Oak, Florida, you can impress your friend. For just $19.99 and a 30-minute course, we can teach you how to kite just as good as us. We don't make regular students. We make happy students. Happy.